Hello, today I show you a Wi-Fi smart garage door opener. Use this one, you can open, close, and monitor status from anywhere. And it works with Alexa, Google, and Nest, and IFTTT. Now the first one will power it up. You can see the red LED blinks. Okay. Connect the sensor and the on-off cable. This is the magnetic. This is the sensor. Okay, install e-wheeling app and we'll open it. Click the add button. Select the quick pairing mode. Next. This is your Wi-Fi name and you enter the correct password. Next. And now we'll use a word now, pressing the button for 5 seconds. And the LED status change. Of course, you can press the button before you add the device on app. Okay, rename it. Okay. Let's do. When you click the button, it will on for 1 second and off. This is the magnetic, and when your door is closed, you can see on the app the status changes. When your door is open, the app is on. Let's simulate. Now it's on, the door is on. Click. The door is closing. Yeah. And now you open your door. Now it's open. The device firmware is OTA. When you see the it says you can upgrade it to setting to update firmware. Setting. The LED is blink fast 3 times. %. 7. Okay, successfully. When you open your door manually, this is the wires connect to the terminal of your wall console, just like switch. The USB input is just for the board, just for device power up. The relay is without output. Okay.